In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media website with WordPress and Buddyboss, an experience similar to Facebook, all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get your social network up and running. First, we're going to start by navigating over to wordpress.com. This is where we'll be setting up your website, so open your wordpress.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Login button. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account set up already, you'll want to take a moment to create one and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for everything related to managing and customizing your site. From here, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a menu that will take you to different parts of your site management options. The item you'll want to click on is Plugins. Plugins are widgets or add-ons that enhance your site with extra functionality. Under Plugins, you'll see an option of adding features and capabilities to a WordPress site. Now, it's time to search for Buddyboss. There's a search bar provided on this plugin page which permits you to type in what you're looking for. Simply type Buddyboss and hit enter. Buddyboss is what will transform your website into a powerful social media platform, much like Facebook, allowing for community interaction, user profiles, and more. Once you locate Buddyboss from the list of search results, you'll need to install it. Look for a button labeled Install next to the Buddyboss plugin and click on it. The installation may take a few seconds, so be patient. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable Buddyboss on your site. Activating it is necessary for the plugin to start functioning on your website, turning your WordPress site into a social media platform that your users can enjoy. And there you have it. You've just turned a regular WordPress site into a functioning social media website using the Buddyboss plugin. Take some time now to explore Buddyboss's settings and customize your new social media platform to suit your vision and the needs of your community.